Previous video we discussed on NEET practice set 1 on human reproduction. Those of you who have not seen the video yet can go to the channel and watch or search for my channel only #Bubio. Either tap to the link in description box and watch the NEET practice set 1. Hello and welcome to biology tutorial #Bubio. Today we will look at NEET practice set 2 on human reproduction, gametogenesis, fertilization, cleavage, implantation and gastrulation in this topic. So let's see. Question number 1. A cross section at the midpoint of the middle fish of human sperm will show option A centriole, mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules, option B centriole and mitochondria, option C mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules, option D 9+2 arrangement of microtubules only. Here the answer is option C, because middle piece is a portion of sperm where the axial filament is covered by the helicular structure of mitochondria. Look at the diagram and do clear of this question. Question number 2. Capacitation refers to change in the ovum before fertilization, ovum after fertilization, option C sperm after fertilization, option D sperm before fertilization. The answer is option D. Capacitation refers to change in the sperm before fertilization. It increases fertilization capacity of sperm. This step is a biochemical event. The sperm move normally and look mature prior to capacitation. Question number 3. Sperms formed from 4 primary spermatocytes are option A 4, option B 1, option C 16, option D 32. Here the answer is option C, because one primary spermatocyte produce 4 sperms, so 4 spermatocyte will be produce 16 sperms. Next question, question 4. Fertilization occurs in human, rabbit and other placental mammals in ovary, uterus, fallopian tube and vagina. Here the answer is option C. In mammals, rabbit and human beings, fertilization of ovum occurs in fallopian tube or oviduct or uterine tube. In human, the uterine tubes or salpinx, its another name, are muscular J-shaped tubes found in the female reproductive tracts. The phenomenon of fertilization was first prescribed by Weismann, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke, Hartwig. The answer is Hartwig. The German biologist Oskar Hartwig, 1876, described the fusion of sperm and egg nuclei, its the fertilization in sea urchin. If the first cleavage furrow divides the zygote completely into 2, the cleavage type is radial, equatorial, medoblastic, either holoblastic. The answer is holoblastic, because in holoblastic total or complete cleavage, the entire egg divides by each cleavage furrow. It may be equal holoblastic, either unequal holoblastic. Question number 7. Cleavage is found in zygote, egg, undivided cell after gastrula stage. The answer is zygote. Look at the form. Next 8. Which of the embryo has a parasite mode of nutrition? Bird's embryo, amphibian embryo, reptile embryo and mammalian embryo. The answer is mammalian embryo. Only mammalian embryo remains connected by means of placenta with the mother's body to receive nutrition and oxygen supply. Next question, question number 9. Cleavage was first observed by Swammerdam, Spallanzani, F.R. Lilly, Leeuwenhoek? The answer is Swammerdam. Swammerdam 1738 observed the first cleavage of frog. And the last question, question number 10. Eggs having yolk in their center of cytoplasm in peripheral layers are called isolecithal, microlecithal, centriolecithal, and telolecithal. The answer is centrolecithal, cause yolk is concentrated in the center of the ovum with cytoplasm surrounding it, as in macrolecithal eggs of Arthropoda. Next day we will discuss on ecology, environment and population topic question paper, so observe the notification carefully. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure hit like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming important question notification. And again say comment without any hesitation which types of topic question do you want. Thanks for watching. See you again.